About the Detachable Remote Controller. The hohem SE Gimbal with a detachable magnetic remote controller effortlessly control. Detachable Stabilizer fold into a pocket-sized tool making it a must-have for travelers and vloggers and unlock our creativity with the hoe. In day long should capture entire events or long adventures without worrying about running out of power. Beginner friendly stabilizer easy to see. Change effortlessly switch between landscape and portrait modes. The iSteady stabilizer is designed for easy use even for beginners making it perf. About the detachable remote controller. The hohem SE Gimbal with a detachable magnetic remote controller effortlessly control. Detachable Stabilizer folds into a pocket-sized tool making it a must-have for travelers and vloggers and unlock our creativity with the hoe. In day long should capture entire events or long adventures without worrying about running out of power. Beginner friendly stabilizer easy to see. Change effortlessly switch between landscape and portrait modes. The iSteady stabilizer is designed